Both of you guys are wanted from out-of-state jurisdictions. You want me to set you a bond. I don't know you guys. I don't know who you are. I know that you guys are going to tell me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods, but to me, it's what's on paper that matters, because that's how I get to know you, not what you tell me, because what you tell me is going to go in this year, it'll go out that paper is what rules. I guess we'll start with you. You are DeJuan White, right? Mr. White. So I guess go ahead and tell me, please.
Got a letter, and then I'll follow up if you
For sure.
Yes, Judge. This is asking for no bond on. He has a number of convictions. Has a PPI on a family member out of Douglas County. He also had a failure to clear out of Georgia. We don't feel comfortable saying.
So he has, he has a case here as well.
Yes, Judge.
He picked up an unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon here.
That's while the larceny was pending. The warrant was issued on September 23rd, 2023, and while he had this pending.
Whoa, so the warrant's been issued he's been out on the land for a year?
Well, that's when the warrant was issued. I don't know if anything past that, but it was September of last year, and then he took the felon possession of weapons of duration while he was wanted. And the fact that he had a recent prior conviction a year before, and the fact that he has at least 6, but I didn't count regarding similar offenses, is that we would be opposed to a bond.
So first, he does have a case in felony. He is waiting on a bond in this court, so he can post that bond. He's been in contact with his family. He's got the support of his girlfriend, his mother. He's never been given a bond here to go allow himself to turn himself into there. I would request that he be given that opportunity to do so. He's got a plan in place on how to do that and how to get to Georgia and reconcile what's going on over there.
So he's been on the lam. I mean, this case has been open since September 23.
Judge, I was just appointed on this. I don't know the specifics as to when the warrant was issued, as to what's happened in the meantime. I just know that there is an extradition request in place, and I would request that he be given the opportunity to.
Yeah, if he's been on the lam for a year and a half, I'm not done with that, really.
He also had a bond for about 4 months prior to this warrant each.
Bond forfeiture for what?
That was for case number
For here, what of our cases?
1629990. That's the person, the one that he was recently convicted of in 2020. He bond forfeited on that one. 4 months before he had a warrant out for this.
He also had you had another case from 2022. You took off at least 2 times on that case. How on earth do you think that I can trust you that you're going to go back when you have not? You just pled to another case not too long ago, and you took off at least 2 times on that case. Really? Sure.
No, that's not accurate. I was in jail, and when I did my time for being in jail, and they issued out a warrant, and I had no idea about the warrant, because when I went home to try and deal with the warrant, they told me that it was nothing that they could find. And
I'm talking about you having that from a person from 2022, October. They issued at least 2 different warrants that I can see because you violated bond conditions on 2 separate occasions.
I never got in custody for any of it. But as soon as it was time for me to turn myself in, that's exactly what I did. When I learned about the warrant, I turned myself in.
Yeah. No, man. Sorry.
Judge, is there any chance we can put this on the docket for Thursday so I can delve into the facts a little more?
For sure. You can. I'm happy to do it. Right. Ricardo, I have no problem if you want to ever try to show me something more. But I mean, at the end of the day, my only concern are 2 things: public safety, which is my most concern, and if you're going to go. And from what I hear, all you got is a history of flight. It's what you do. You take flight on 3 different occasions. Actions speak louder than words. Really. I don't like to keep people in jail, but if you show me that you're going to be a public danger,